Imagine walking through a forest. Suddenly, you hear the footsteps. A 40-foot predator is nearby, not in a movie, not in a theme park, but in real life. Now look into the sky. Giant reptiles soar overhead. Small mammals hide below. What if the asteroid never hit Earth? Let's travel back. 66 million years. The world looked very different. Dinosaurs ruled every corner of the land. There were predators and gentle giants. Then, something incredible happened. A massive asteroid was racing toward our planet. It was around 10 to 15 kilometers wide. It slammed into what is now Mexico. The impact changed Earth's history forever. The explosion released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs. Everything near the impact was instantly destroyed. Wildfires spread across entire continents. Powerful earthquakes shook the planet. Massive tsunamis crashed into coastlines. Ash and dust filled the atmosphere. The sun slowly disappeared. Plants could no longer grow. Without plants, food chains began to collapse. Life on Earth would never be the same. Around 75% of all life disappeared. Many incredible species vanished forever. Among them were the giant dinosaurs. But not every dinosaur disappeared. One group managed to survive. Birds are actually living dinosaurs. That means dinosaurs still exist today. Even the pigeons you see every day. And even the chickens on farms. They're all descendants of dinosaurs. So technically, dinosaurs never completely disappeared. But let's imagine something different. Imagine the asteroid completely missed Earth. Earth continued peacefully through space. The dinosaurs kept living, generation after generation. Millions of years passed. Evolution never stopped. The world slowly became even more extraordinary. How different would Earth look today? Many people imagine Tyrannosaurus rex still roaming the Earth. But evolution never stands still. 66 million years is an incredibly long time. Species are always changing. Some disappear naturally. Others split into entirely new species. Nature never stops experimenting. The descendants of T-Rex could look completely different. Some might become even larger. Others might become faster, or even smarter. But what about mammals? Mammals already existed, but they were incredibly small. Most were no bigger than rats. During the day, they stayed hidden. Many only came out at night. They were trying not to become dinner. Life was a constant struggle. Yet they survived. Then everything changed. The dinosaurs were gone. Suddenly, the world was full of opportunity. Entire ecosystems were now empty. Mammals began to spread. Over millions of years. Some became enormous. Others conquered the oceans. And even the skies. Eventually, primates appeared. Our ancient ancestors lived in the trees. Over millions of years. They adapted to changing environments. Some eventually began walking upright. That journey eventually led to us. But what if dinosaurs had never disappeared? Those opportunities might never have existed. Primates may have remained small tree dwellers. Humans may never have evolved. In fact, scientists think humans probably wouldn't exist. Human evolution depended on millions of years of changing environments. Forests changed. Grasslands spread. The climate continued changing. Our ancestors adapted. But with giant dinosaurs everywhere, our story might have ended before it even began. But could another intelligent species have evolved? The answer is maybe. Some dinosaurs were surprisingly intelligent. One of them was the troodontid. It had unusually large eyes and one of the largest brains among dinosaurs. It may have been an excellent problem solver. Over millions of years, their intelligence could have increased, but probably not in the way humans did. Back in the 1980s, a paleontologist proposed an unusual idea. What if intelligent dinosaurs kept evolving? This idea became known as the dinosauroid. Today, most scientists don't think evolution would work that way. Evolution has no final goal. It doesn't naturally try to create humans. But dinosaurs certainly had the potential to become smarter. And we can already see clues today, because birds are incredibly intelligent. Now imagine looking at Earth today, a world still ruled by dinosaurs. Dense forests would stretch for thousands of miles. Enormous herbivores would reshape entire landscapes. Predators would still dominate the food chain. The skies would still belong to flying reptiles. New dinosaur species would fill every ecosystem. Mammals would likely remain small. Human civilization might never exist. Earth would still be incredible. Just very different. The asteroid didn't just end the age of dinosaurs. It also opened the door for mammals. Without that moment, humans might never have appeared. No cities, no technology, no space exploration, no internet. Everything we know may trace back to one single day. One event changed the future forever. History can be shaped by a single moment. One small event can change everything. Without that asteroid, would you want to live in a world ruled by dinosaurs? Or the world we have today? Think about your answer. The story of Earth is still full of mysteries, and there are many more discoveries waiting. Thanks for watching.